Yo, what's up YouTube? Yeah, it's Dragon here, and today we're going to be doing a 2v2 defuse with pistols only, which is really cool. And yeah, special shout out to Destiny, special shout out to Zex, and definitely special shout out to Lucky or Lightning. I don't really know what to call them. Whatever. So let's just get right into this. Without them spamming hi YT, haha JK 200 views videos. Go YT, yo YT. Shout out me, shout me. Stop. Okay, there we go. That took a lot of talking. Our Discord server will be in the description below. And if you guys are SOT players with Discord and are looking for a clan, join ours. We specialize in Asia, especially EU and NA. I'm EU, and I found this clan is really friendly and has a great community. We'll be doing the pistols only, and yeah. Have fun. They're camping there with Eat. I don't have a USP skin yet because they're so expensive, and well, maybe I'll get the 2 years blue when I get the money, just for standoff suit. Yep. That might not be for a long time, maybe on my birthday, it's in October. But yeah. It looks like I have the bomb and it's not good. Shoot, I'm just gonna talk to it this week.
Enemy spotted. Counter-terrorists win.
I'm going to go with the P350. Looks like they're just talking. This, so hopefully I can. Ouch.
Enemy spotted.
Oh my god. I got Destiny. Oh, come on, that was my knife. Oh. Yeah, you better feel that. Minutes. Okay, we're putting on to that. Zex is pushing forward.
Terrorists
What do
win.
you? Come on, I show you. Keep up.
Planting. Planting. Bomb has been planted.
We'll come flank around. Zex, we can handle it. GG! Yep, that was a typo, but that is also what that is an awesome name. The Flanco. Yeah, I want to call that Flanco. If that's not already if that's not already a call out. Flanco! Oh my god, you saw that there? What was that aim? I am bad. Okay, I'm gonna push around. Okay, flanco. I'm gonna flanco. Ah! No, it took knife. Why am I so bad at knifing? Oh, GG. Okay, I'm allowing you. Might lose it home. Okay.
Planting.
I'm gonna close it.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
That was lucky. Okay. Oh, Zex is lagging a bit. Oh, I didn't buy nades. Not really helpful by French, remember. No, they're holding B. Oh, what if they're not doing it? Oh, they're gonna respond mid, I think.
Planting. Bomb has been planted.
Okay. Oh. They're pushing. Oops. Oh, I'm toxic. Oh my gosh. GG. Yeah, okay.
Bomb has been planted.
Yeah, no counter. Oops. I'm doing research cover.
Terrorists win.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that name. Okay. Excellent. Ooh, what that comes from? I think I might be there. Yeah.
Planting. Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
And GG! That is literally a flawless victory, guys. And I think I'm gonna end it there. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.